A few weeks ago, I made a video on why networking is the best skill I have. I filled it with a lot of the reasons why the skill is so critical, and today I wanted to make a follow-up based on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is, likely, the most important social media for your professional career, and there are a few ways you can make it work even better and boost your presence beyond your connections. Just briefly, LinkedIn is a social media platform that connects professionals for networking, career development, or assisting in job search. Additionally, it's a good place for students looking to connect with programs of interest. Regardless of what you're using it for, LinkedIn is the easy button for building your network. There are many tools out there that can help with building a good profile, but I wanted to focus on how to gain more traction to your page through profile views and impressions, allowing you to go from here to here to here in just a week. Let me circle a few key data points for a moment: impressions and followers. First, impressions. How often are you displayed in somebody's feed? You can rely on being searched for, but what if recruiters and potential opportunities came to you? Posting is the only way to make that happen. While not one-to-one, impressions from posts translate to profile views. And if you regularly take the time to do quality posting, that will naturally lead to the other data point. Followers. They are usually new connections or individuals interested in your career or industry. They often come as a result of you reaching out or someone visiting your profile and wanting to connect. The more followers that you have, the greater your chances of having valuable resources for industry insights, job postings, or new opportunities. To make things even better, you'll show up in your followers' feed when you make a post, and if they interact with it, all of their followers will see that post in their feed as well. So, if you post right, you can continue to gain connections and followers in perpetuity, thus giving yourself the best chance to be seen, find the right mentors that are invested in your career, or get that opportunity that you've always wanted. So now the only question is, what's stopping you from posting for the first time? If you're worried about content, just post about what you're passionate about professionally. Someone else out there will feel strongly about that too, and your confidence will skyrocket. I'm sure you've seen some people that overpost or overshare, but that doesn't mean that you have to be that. 1 or 2 posts a week and engaging in the comments of your own connections is plenty to get the job done. There is no time like the present to get started. Opportunities await you. Take the leap, and I promise it will be worth it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content and found it insightful, please like, share it with a friend or colleague, and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more. If you haven't already, follow us on Instagram too. Until next time, see ya.